submitting my resume and CVs and all.
Mm-hmm.
So they called me. Actually, three companies called me, sir. L&T, Tata Power, and PSP Projects.
Okay. Can you brief your education journey because I don't know much about it? Can
Yeah,
you
yeah,
just,
yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
you can
Actually, sir.
introduce yourself and speak.
Yeah, okay, fine, sir. So, sir, my name is Ashley Anthony Xavier. I'm from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have completed my SSC matriculation from SFS High School, Nagpur, which was followed by a diploma in civil engineering from Anjuman Polytechnic, which was concluded by a bachelor's degree in civil engineering from United College. I was working as a QA/QC engineer in Aditya Construction Company, Nagpur-based company. It's a joint venture company. So I was looking after all the QA/QCs of three projects, sir. First one was all the three projects were government projects. First project, my first project was construction of RTO Kalamna Commercial Building. So it was led by NIT, Nagpur Improvement Trust. Second was the construction of Command Control Center.
You
Our
were
client there
video.
was, yeah, sir. So at Command Control Center, all the three projects were from Nagpur only. So the Command Control Center was led by L&T, which gave me a rich knowledge of about all the QA/QC processes. And the third project I was handling was construction of Parshini backwards class hostel. So it also gives me, yeah, it was for PWD.
Okay.
So my name is Ashley Anthony Xavier. I, 2-3 months back, or I can say a couple of months back, I was at the same place where all my fellow students are now. I was a part of CMTI. I was a part of CMTI CACM program. So the CACM program. How I got to know about the CMTI thing. First, I would like to brief about it. So I was actively looking for opportunities on various portals, and I was opting for a master's degree in NICMAC or RICS. So a question popped in my mind: is investing this heap of money, is it beneficial for me, or is it worthy to spend such amount in a college just for job placement? As I was working very hard and not getting any not getting any opportunities in a limited firm. So as I was in my budding stage, I was looking for various other thing like various softwares like AutoCAD, like SketchUp. I used to means I'm opting to do that things like AutoCAD, SketchUp, StatPro, without having the knowledge that what is used for. And AutoCAD is generally used for a draftsman to draft. When you're going on a site, it would be of no use. Other than that, if I'm doing StatCore or ETABS, it's used for a structural engineer. What would I do if I'm going on a site? So I just actively looking for opportunities to join NICMAC and all. I came to a page on LinkedIn which told me about CMTA. From there, I just I opted for a construction finishes course. So from there, I got the knowledge what all is CMTA about. So from there, I started growing with CMTA. So I joined the CACM course from there and got the knowledge of various aspects. As I can see that CMTI is teaching all the practical knowledge you would not able to get on by your colleges, I can say. So all the practical knowledge is like for planning. They are not only teaching planning. I can say that they are not only teaching software in planning. The my planning classes were by Ganti sir. So the first or the second day itself, sir just gave us a project that you would be doing planning for a road project. For a 11 kilometer road, you have to do the project. For a residential building, you have to do the project. So for doing the planning of the any project, first you need to know every aspect, every scope of work, everything, what is going on, every. So from there, I got the knowledge what is all planning about. I got to learn about MSP. I learned to get to learn about Primavera. Other than that, the quantity serving was taken by Anand Narayan sir. Rich source of all the teaching staff in CMT. I can say that all the teaching staff are above par. All the teaching staff are having rich experience of 40 years, 50. I got to know that Subhash Patak sir is also conducting contract management classes. So all the conductors are having rich source of experience, and I think I'm unfortunate that I didn't get to know about CMTI 3 years back. Like like students now, yeah, are getting the opportunities. It's a boon to all the budding engineers, I can think, because they are getting this exposure. If I got to know about, I think if I got to know about CMTI way back, I would be at some other place till now. So uh, it not only served to be experience gainer, but it also helped me initial stages. Like I was not able to. Why I said that? Why the people are doing AutoCAD and all? Because other than doing that, you can invest your money in doing courses like green building. All the future aspects are related to green building concepts. Other than that, digital construction concept, you can opt for that as well with CACM course, because we can, and the material which is provided in the green building session, you can it will also be helpful to you to crack IGBC AP exams. It is very, I think it's very little bit of more thing can be added, and it could be a rich source to crack a IGBC exam, as well as digital construction, which is a future concept. So that also is being provided. I think no other institution or like learning training firm is providing such a rich source of diverse source of knowledge. They are providing you with planning, they are providing with you designing, also they are providing you with interior design, interior management, how to do interior. And I also want to thank Natarajan sir. Natarajan sir was the source how I got to grow my knowledge. Actually, I was a person from quality field. I only used to do QA and QC part. For the people who don't know what is QA and QC, QA is the related to the processes we do, and QC is the control, like for the product. It's a thing related to the product. So it's not a job of a QA QC engineer to do only QA and QC. Other than that, he has to do audits as well. Other than that, he has to.
Again, network gone. Some small connectivity issue.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. So other than that, also they have to do audits. Do if the work is as per the specification, is if correct methodologies are adopted, if correct SOPs are being adopted, all the things. So I was lacking over there. I was thinking that why I'm not getting, I'm having such a good experience. Why I'm not getting job in means why I'm not growing in my quality field. So Natarajan self helped me. I can say that CMTI is a civil engineering library. What you opt for here, you will get it. CMTI, while doing the coach by Natarajan sir, actually out of the syllabus, I asked Natarajan sir, can you teach me about? Actually, I can say that when I was 3 4 months back, when I was at your places, I was uh, I was not shy to ask. I was not shy. If you are shy to ask, like, sir, I don't understand this, then you won't grow. So on regular basis I was having queries. Sir, I cannot able to come with this. No problem. Sir used to say, no problem. I will teach you. Same Anant Narayan Sun also say, no problem. I'll teach you again. So the thing is, to have that set of knowledge, you have to be asking for the questions. The session should be interactive, so that you can grab the knowledge what they are giving. So I asked sir, can out of the syllabus, I asked sir, actually I heard about my one construction. Can you tell me about my one construction? So sir said, okay, I'll get ready with the thing. Tomorrow I'll tell you what is my one. So other than the syllabus, on the second day, sir told me everything about the my one construction. Our QA/QC thing was finished. Sir, I want to know more about QA/QC thing. So the materials are provided, like what the material which was provided with by the CMTI team, uh, consisting of all the consisting of establishing a project management system. So the parts of that, like PQP, project quality planning, how to do project quality planning, how to do project quality monitoring, how to do project quality audits, all that were taught to me by uh, by that material which was shared. So that material helped me a lot in growing. Other than that, I I'm not completely dependent upon CMTI. I was also looking for opportunities other than CMTI. I was posting, like, if like I'm doing only I've done CMTI, I will look for job for CMTI. No, other than that, you can offer different like type of opportunity. There are numerous opportunities being provided on LinkedIn. Numerous opening provided on LinkedIn, quick, Naukri.com, Wait, other portals. So you have to apply for that as well. While actively searching, I got three offers. First one was from Tata Power Solar Project, which was based in Rajasthan. Similar project I got for the same thing, for a quality audit person, project audit, third party audit person. Same position, I got an offer for Rajasthan for L&T, and the third offer I got is from PSP Projects. It is an Ahmedabad based company. So it was for an in-house audit, so I have grabbed that offer. So I just want to thank Ashok sir for creating such a wonderful team, which shares us such a rich source of knowledge. And with this CACM course, I would also suggest my fellow colleagues to join other courses like green building and digital construction, because what HR looks for, every person is having a degree, every person is having a diploma, but what segregates you from the other student is also important. So using these kinds of certificates in your resume also added value to my, I can say, also added value to my resume, and which boosted my resume. As we can say that all the HRs are having ATS resume CV sorting machine, so they opt for a best candidate. So this kinds of certification, I can say, segregate me from the other past participants and boosted my resume. So that's all.
Nice, nice,
And
nicely you have narrated.
I would like to thank all that CMTI team, HR team, Deepa ma'am, Shweta ma'am, who are very helpful. For anything, if you are asking, ma'am, I'm having issues. I'm having issue with that. I'm having issue with this. They they were with no queries, with no nothing. They just used to, okay, Ashley, we'll provide you with that. If you miss the classes, we will provide you with. the audio and video, whatever you are requiring. And also CMTI is providing the videos of the training for 3 years. 3 years of big time to learn. In the 3 years course, you would